Assalamu alaikum. I am Sara, a mother of two and a homemaker. Hence, I was a bit skeptical to resume my studies. Now, the possibility of being able to learn at my own pace is what drew me towards TruCademy. But what really stands out about them is Mr. Sajid Iqbal's calm demeanor, his energetic presence in class, and his ability to infuse confidence in all of his students. Now, all of this, coupled with the individual attention and the unlimited question practice sessions to ensure learning of the entire class is on the same level, really did the trick. Now, I obviously put in an effort, but it was my tutor who channelized my efforts in the right direction. So thank you very much, sir. My result is totally hats off to you and a true representation of TruCademy.